All right, hey, welcome back to the channel. So what we're doing today is Alex from Curiosity Inc. He came out and he did for his channel a little garage tour of my shop here for his channel because of the motorcycle that we bought from him and stuff, and he's seen the little trailer and stuff, and we tagged him. So and then and some stuff that I've got from his store from him and stuff. So. But anyways, like I said, he was kind enough to come out here and do a video for his channel.
Well, good morning, everybody. Today I am out in the town of Mayerthorpe, Alberta on this foggy, brisk winter morning. And I'm out here to meet a lovely couple who actually used to be customers at my store and now have opened up a shop where they're doing repairs on cars and motorcycles and building and manufacturing stuff. So I'm coming out to have a look at their shop and do a shop tour. Hopefully this will end up being a good connection for me too, as there's always something I need fixed up. Guessing this is the place. In the middle of the country, they built basically like a replica gas station out here with the shop, some old trucks.
Hi, my name's Shane Gilroy.
I'm Barb Gilroy, and we are 3A Motorsports.
We're pretty new to this, but we're doing the best we can, and I hope you like what we do.
All right, well, let's do a little tour.
Yeah, you bet.
Noticed the car as soon as we walked in, and I also noticed all the cool signs. I don't know, you guys used to come and shop at my store every once in a while, and I do recognize one thing over there in the corner. That Suzuki bike, that was actually, I did an episode on that. Pulling that out of the garage where it's at. Did you ever see that? Somewhere on my channel.
I did see the episode.
Yeah,
where you got that out.
And you got it running and all that good stuff?
Yeah, you bet I did.
Oh gosh, it was sitting for a while, but
Yep.
It looks good over there. But we're gonna before I get too excited to go look at the motorcycle again, and you've got motorcycles stuck on the wall. It's hard to come to a place like this when you see stuff that you would normally buy. All the old trucks and cars. You got it laid out really nice.
And then when we got talking there, and he has turns out he has a little Alfa Romeo that he needs a little bit of work to. Yeah, it would indicate there it had some front end damage. He thought maybe that it was damaged on maybe a road course or something, just the way the damage is down low and stuff. And I kind of seen a picture of it, but anyways, what we're doing right away now here is we're gonna buzz into the city, head over to his place there, and take a look at it, see if it's something I can that I can help him with, or do some work on. So yeah, so we're gonna jump in the truck. We're gonna hit the city. We're gonna swing by, and he offered because Alex has some nice old cars. So and my boy, he likes those old sports cars and stuff too. So we're gonna grab Max from college. We'll probably we'll probably head in, grab Max. We'll grab some lunch with him, and then we'll probably head over and check out that car. So that's where we're headed right away here this morning. And like I said, I'm looking forward to it because Alex is a super nice guy, and he's got some nice cars, and I'm hoping I can do some work for him on this little Alfa Romeo.
That's where I'm hoping you might come in and be able to help me with that.
For sure.
But yeah, it's I mean, it's not a huge car.
No.
It's maybe 5 feet of trouble is what's given us problems.
Yeah, absolutely. For sure. Well, I think it is, right? I think
When I get all the extra pieces.
fitting that and getting that welded in and smoothing it out. Would you be looking at me to get the floor pan and stuff too? Or?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah,
I'd
okay.
say like the metal work that needs to be done on the car can be done, and it doesn't have to be like super pretty.
Well, you want it, yeah. I mean,
Well, it has to be on, but
yeah,
then
and it has to be as good as you can get it.
yeah,
right?
to a point where I can fill and sand and,
Yeah.
and do the work, the rest of it myself. But
Sure.
yeah, I should have the other metal panels in soon, but I mean, there's a fair bit of work that has to happen before we even get to that stage, right?
Yes.
So I mean,
Yeah.
in theory, you could go over to your place at any time, and person could start cutting and pulling junk
Yeah.
off, and basically once this front little clip is off, then you can see what you're dealing with in here.
100%. And just looking at it now, the way you had this set up, I think the very best would be get your door, get it square, maybe replace this section, because then you'll have these matching nice, and then you'll know, because what I would be worried about is cutting it properly, right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like it'd be hard to line this up perfectly right now with that big fender.
Yeah,
but if you were to
square.
Yeah, if you were to square it up and get that fender in place, then you know. Now that fender that's coming, is it a complete with this?
No, it's just basically
section.
from here.
Yeah.
I think it's like from here down.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, it's
no
like
worries.
the fender side.
Yeah. Okay. Gotcha.
But yeah. And this obviously has, you know, I'm gonna have other work to do, you know, in terms of like the old filler that's popping through and stuff like that.
You betcha.
That might just be dirt.
Yeah, you betcha.
You should have seen when I was pounding on this thing, there was like a pile of dust and dirt on the bottom of it.
For sure.
But it's a cute little car when
It
it's
sure
done.
is.
Just working on the power motor. Didn't have much luck with that. And then 66 Jag, 62 Alpha, that's a 56 Mercedes. And then 1969 Porsche 911.
Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So what we're doing today is we're going to go pick up that little car, and it'll be a new project for the shop. I think it's going to be really fun. It's a little sports car that I've never worked on anything like that really in the past. So it's let's get this straight. It's a 1965 Alfa Romeo Spider. And what Alex wants from me is to possibly just do some of the metal work. He's got a new nose piece. He's got some other, you know, few parts that need to be installed, and I think a floorboard and just a little bit of stuff like that. So it's going to be a really exciting project. I think it's going to be fun working on a little sports car. It's a really cool little car. We did go take a look at it already the other weekend there. So today, that's what we're doing. We're going to get the trailer hooked up, and we're going to head to get it. It's brutally cold out today, but it is what it is. We're going to do our best and hopefully stay warm. Okay, so my power cable was real cold, and you can see right there the sheathing broke. I think the wires are still okay, so I'll have to repair that at some point. I think it's saying it's minus 36 or something today, so it's not nice out.
Casualty of the cold.
Okay, so we made it home. It was no big deal. The highways are a little gross, but we made it anyways. We got the car loaded up. We had a nice visit with Alex and his wife Melissa. We had a tea with them. It was, like I said, a nice little visit. But anyway, so let's get this little car unloaded and take a look at it. All right, so you can see we got this little car in here, this little Alfa Romeo. It's actually a sweet little car. Any of you guys that seen it on Alex's channel would have seen the unfortunately has the front end damage, right? So that's what I'm going to try to fix. Alex provided a new nose piece here. It's going to be I'm excited to get it to work on it. It's going to be a lot of work. It's going to be a lot of moving, it's going to be a time consuming lot of work. But anyways, this is a great little car. Any of you guys that's seen on Alex's channel has probably got the lowdown on it, but it is a great little car. It just needs some love. So I'm looking forward to getting after it and seeing if I can get it looking straight again. And I will still be working on this old Pontiac here in between getting parts and stuff, right between these cars. I think we're still waiting for a fender and a floorboard, I believe, and some stuff. But anyways, yeah, so I'm still going to be working on that car in between, working on both kind of at the same time. So kind of keeps it interesting and keeps it moving along. So yeah, so if you guys want to see the progress on this little car, please like and subscribe and follow along. And like I said, I'm kind of looking forward to it. It's going to be a fun little car to work on. I definitely never worked on a car like this. Even just sitting in it and stuff, you feel like you want to go racing. It's a great little car. But anyways, yeah. So please like and subscribe. That's it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up as to what we're going to be doing.